What up? It's Will Vitela, Home Tech Expert, back in Newport Beach, California. But more specifically, I'm in Balboa Peninsula, right next to the ocean. And I'm here to replace and remove an existing 55-inch 4K TV that I already installed right here at the front yard. Now, this family did not listen to me. They said, you know what, Will? The cheap Costco TV will be fine. It's covered. We have an outdoor TV cover. It'll be fine. No problems. You know why? Because they did not want to spend the money originally on an outdoor TV that's made for the weather. Now, they learned the hard way because this TV only lasted them for 2 months. It got absolutely rusted with the weather, as you can see here. You know, when it's by the ocean, you definitely have to go and spend the money for an outdoor TV. And also, by the way, if you have the TV in an area that is partially exposed to the rain and the weather, a cheap indoor TV is just not going to cut it. That's why I install and recommend Neptune outdoor TVs made by Peerless AV. These are rugged TVs that are made for the rain, they're made for the sun, and they also have a secret enclosed compartment made for an Apple TV 4K streaming device, giving you the best experience to be able to watch that NFL, be able to watch that baseball game, be able to watch that soccer game, because you get the best streaming experience for YouTube TV, for DirecTV Stream, for Prime Video, for Netflix, and so on. Now, who the heck is Neptune TV by Peerless AV? Who is this company in the USA? Well, if you own a Tesla, if you own an electric vehicle and you're charging your car, next time you're at Whole Foods charging it, at Target or at Amazon Fresh, I want you to look at the charging station. It has advertisements on there, right? It has a digital signage display. Guess who makes it? Neptune by Peerless AV. That's the same company that makes these outdoor TVs that are absolutely rugged. They're made for the rain, they're made for the sun. They're gonna last. With that built-in compartment with an Apple TV 4K, it's going to give you years of enjoyment for your family to be able to enjoy your entertainment in your backyard. This is how we do it at Home Tech Expert. If you want to get it done right the first time, go to hometechexpert.com and schedule a free estimate.